Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Prime Video on Roku Stick step by step clearly. To begin, make sure your Roku Stick is properly connected to your TV and powered on. Using your Roku remote, navigate to the home screen. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels. In the channel store, use the search function to find Prime Video. Once you find the Prime Video app, click on it to access its details. Select Add Channel to install the app on your Roku Stick. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the Prime Video app among your installed channels. Launch the Prime Video app by selecting it. You will be prompted to sign in to your Amazon account. If you do not have an account, you can create one directly on the Amazon website. Once you have your login details, enter your email address and password. After signing in, you may need to verify your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login process. Once logged in, you can start browsing the available content. To activate Prime Video, you may receive a code on your TV screen. Visit the provided Amazon activation website on your computer or smartphone. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Once you submit the code, your Roku Stick will refresh. You should now see the Prime Video interface fully activated. Explore the library and enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.